Are you taking a nap, Nico? Are you taking naps? Or are you taking out your binky and chatting? Because sometimes it's hard to tell. Yeah. Yep. There it goes. Uh-huh. Because that looks a lot more like talking than napping. Shall we help you with the binky? All right. Say good night. Time for sleeps. Oh. Nope. Not good night. Okay. Oh, good job. That's in. Time for sleeps. All right. Say good night. I'm going to take my nap.